Welcome to the CryptoNest. So this is Solana. We can see now that need to be careful. Well, for sure, we could go higher, but technically, if I zoom out, remember I did mention that we have this possible A, B, C, D, E. We're missing the D, we're missing the E, but I mean the D could be just here, and I would be perfect. I mean, doesn't have to do go crazy, so careful about that. Many of my friends that they start to buy back already, I would say be careful. Now I'm going to go and put my pinch of salt. Okay, so maybe on the 1 hour. So once again, we're looking for this theory that the tree is done, wave 4 maybe completed. I don't believe so though. So we're still having some room to go lower. And I calculated we can go about another 3% easy just to go here, even lower, and that's not going to do some good for the altcoins. And then if we make a deep wave 4, possibly many coins can make a new lower low. For example, Chainlink, it's not that bullish, and I calculated, like here in July when Bitcoin went down 16%. Let me take out this one. Well, Chainlink went down 25%. So if Bitcoin make a deeper correction for the wave 4, could it be possible that we make a new lower low, and we're going to reach finally this level here, the $10.10, which was the ideal 1-to-1 ratio, wave A, wave C? We don't know. Also, we don't really have impulsive movement. We didn't reach even the 1.236. We didn't even challenge the MA50. Ideally, I would love Chainlink to reach 1522 for the 1.38, and even better if we reach the almost $16 for the 1.618. We do have structure. Now this is arguably, some people they count 5 wave like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, or just A, B, C. So now this is dilemma, right? But then dilemma kind of get destroyed. It's not dilemma anymore, because if that was 5 way up and then we didn't really have 3 way down, and I cannot clearly see 5 way up, and I'm not seeing 5 waves like that, right? You see the difference, the slope, and this is more on the side, and unfortunately we can see an A, a B, and a C. So now the problem is, for the diagonal, at least you need to reach this level here, and it didn't do it yet. So I'm giving a chance yet. Momentum trend here is this one. Can go on the side, but we really need to push a little bit higher, and that implies to go against Bitcoin. So if you can do that, at least it proves that it's the strength of the coin. If we break it, then it's not looking very, very good, and maybe possibly we're going to go lower and reach that level. All right, so be careful out there. Don't FOMO. Today it's red because Bitcoin is doing its pullback. Normal, just watch for the levels that coins has to reach, already reach, or must reach to make it more bullish. If it does reach it, then wait for pullbacks. Don't buy now, honestly. This is not financial advice, but buying fetch now, I'm not sure. Yeah, you see, I can count. Now this is a nice third wave. Was this already the fourth wave? I don't know, maybe this is just A, the B, and a C, and the fourth wave is still coming. So you buy here almost at the top. I don't know. It's a nice entry would have been here, but who would have known, right? This is why dollar cost average in. And if you believe in the coin, we did have a bigger pullback here, and we did have the 0.618. That was a nice entry. So this is how you must use Fibonacci retracement on a pullbacks to put your chances on your side, probability on your side to have winning trades. And the lower it goes, and on the lower hand of the limits of the zone of the retracement, the more you accentuate your possible gain, but also maximize, or I mean minimize your loss. Now, honestly, I wouldn't go in. Definitely not. Yeah, so 1, 2, and I honestly don't believe the third wave is finished, because if we do micro counting, that's the 1, 2. Could it be at this 3, 4, and 5? Honestly, I don't believe it. It's like more, all this is a 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this is what I'm looking, and maybe this is going to be just the third wave, and after we're going to have a bigger pullback for a wave 4, and then after that a fifth one. And honestly, I did got a little bit lower levels I already had before that I bought last year, so I don't mind to scale in. Even if I buy now, for me, it still doesn't make sense. I wouldn't buy at that level, but I would wait for the 5-way up, and then after 3-way down, and then after, for me, it makes sense. Now, to buy now, I'm not sure. Unless it really go lower, but crazy lower. Like appetizing lower. And let me see here. It's a really long time I didn't do anything on fetch. And honestly, it's kind of cooled me down with that merge. A little bit scared, must say. So it did interact with the 1.38 levels. Could be. Alright, so ABC for the wave 1, wave 2, ABC for the wave 3, or is it ABC for the wave? Yeah, see, that's the unclear part. So be careful out there, but you can see that it did react to the 2.238. I will go for the third one here. And now, if I take that, fourth wave, maybe indeed that was already the end of the fourth wave, who knows? 4. Okay, so if I zoom in, can we call this an A, a B, a C? This is a very shallow wave B. That's crazy. And we are on the 1 hour, right? So, and if Bitcoin go a little bit lower and complete his wave C micro counting again, yeah, maybe this is the A, this is the B, and eventually soon we're going to work on a C. If that is the case, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. So I think I wasn't super accurate, but it doesn't really matter. Wave C. Man, I hate this. Okay, so 128 would be a good level. It implies to go almost near the 0.5, so I wouldn't take that for granted. It is a little bit misleading. Seriously. Okay, so I would maybe stick with the $1.31, 0.76786 to be fair, but ideally we want a lower low, so let's see how it goes with that. But once again, be extra careful. Do not FOMO. I mean, many coins, they already skyrocket, right? So be careful. Be calm. No FOMO. Calculate stuff. Are we in a wave 3? Are we in a wave 4? What's the potential wave 5? What Bitcoin is doing? If Bitcoin is not done, does it make sense to get in? Okay? You're looking for coins? Fine. Once again, yeah, okay, this third wave, fourth wave, I mean, Bitcoin did reach the minimum requirement, but I do believe we're not done. It's too quick. So if Bitcoin reached this level, then maybe, okay, now we have a nice level pullback for Bitcoin maybe is due for another ride for the fifth wave, and then maybe it's time to scale in at that point. Now, honestly, I'm not moving. Anyway, this is not financial advice. I'm sharing what I'm doing. Hopefully, you do your due diligence, you analyze your stuff, and you agree or you disagree with me, and you act accordingly. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And don't be shy, drop some comments. Do you like it? You don't like it? Do you think it's time to buy? Do you think you're holding? You don't care, you're buying because it's long term? I'm curious to know what's your strategy, what's your point of view, what's your reading on the plan of this bull market. Man, it's crazy. Man, talking about the end of the bull market, I was like, man, these people are something. But it's very entertaining. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.